Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so this time I'll be showing you how to factory reset the Huawei P Smart Z. Okay, so there could be a number of reasons why you want to reset this device. So maybe you're having issues with it. Sometimes a factory reset might fix the problem, or maybe you're selling it on. So you want to wipe the device clean and remove all your bank account details, social media account details. Whatever your reason may be, this video is for you. So after doing this, your device will be totally wiped clean. So just make sure you back up any important pictures, documents, videos, whatever. Because once you perform this wipe, you cannot retrieve those deleted files. So yeah. So all you have to do to perform the reset is go into the settings and scroll down to System, Reset, and then Reset Phone. Okay, so I'm just going to hide some personal information. So just select Reset Phone and then select Reset Phone again. If you have a password entered, you will need to enter the password. And then you will come to this screen here, select Reset Phone. And now it's restarting. Reset successful. The device will restart. Okay, so from here you can just power off the device by holding down the power button for more than 3 seconds. Okay, you might have to wait for it to boot up fully first. Okay, so let's try again. So from here, just hold down the power button for 3 seconds and then you can power off. And then you can put the device back in its box and sell it on to whoever you're selling it on to. Or if you're keeping it, just go through the whole setup process again and keep the device or do whatever you're doing with it. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. This was just a short video showing you how to perform a factory reset on the Huawei P Smart Z. It's your boy the Android Doctor and I'm out. Deuces.